Mercedes-AMG has taken another leap forward with its latest iteration of the iconic GT sports car. The second-generation AMG GT Coupe delivers a scintillating blend of power, dynamics, and everyday usability. This all-new model represents the continued evolution of Mercedes-Benz's sports cars, melding the brand's rich heritage with cutting-edge technologies. Visually, the AMG GT Coupe makes a bold styling statement. Its proportions are classic sports car: long hood, fastback roofline, short overhangs, and muscular shoulders over the rear wheels. Mercedes' elegant, sensual purity design language shines through, with flowing curves and taut surfaces creating a modern yet timeless aesthetic. The Panamericana grille and distinctive AMG-specific front end leaves no doubt as to this car's performance pedigree. Step inside, and the driver-focused cockpit clearly reflects AMG's racing roots. The jet-inspired cabin wraps around the pilot, blending analog geometry and digital interfaces for the perfect mix of retro and modern. The MBUX infotainment system takes center stage on the flowing center console, with its standard 11.9-inch touchscreen display. Opt for the slick Super Sport steering wheel, and the AMG GT Coupe easily rivals any supercar for visual drama. Motivation comes courtesy of AMG's masterful 4-liter twin-turbo V8. For the AMG GT 63 4MATIC Plus, output rises to an astonishing 585 horsepower, rocketing the coupe to 62 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. The AMG GT 55 4MATIC Plus offers a still potent 476 horsepower with a 3.7-second time for 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint. Both variants use a 9-speed AMG speed-shift transmission and fully variable all-wheel drive tuned for rear-drive character. Ensuring all this grunt translates into grip, the AMG chassis engineers have worked their magic once again. The active ride control air suspension adeptly balances dynamic handling and comfortable cruising. Clever roll stabilization counters cornering forces, keeping the coupe's attitude tidy when pressing on. Rear axle steering improves high-speed stability and low-speed agility in one clever package. Form follows function in the AMG GT's curvaceous bodywork. Aerodynamically optimized from front to rear, active elements keep drag low while preventing lift at speed. Up front, the two-part AR panel air control system deploys vertical louvers behind the grille, varying cooling airflow and downforce depending on need. Out back, a retractable rear spoiler and underbody diffuser work in concert to maximize stability. Augmenting the aero tricks, the AMG GT's advanced drivetrain and chassis tech help drivers fully exploit its performance potential. The rear-biased all-wheel drive juggles power fore and aft for optimum traction, with a drift mode that sends all torque rearward. The rear axle limited slip differential further improves power down. Active rear-wheel steering enhances agility or stability depending on speed. Massive brakes with 6-piston front, single rear calipers haul down speed with authority and consistency. Inside the cockpit, drivers will feel connected through the AMG performance steering wheel and ideally bolstered sport seats. Crisp digital gauges provide key drivetrain data front and center. The latest MBUX interface is intuitive and loaded with features, though still oriented towards the driver. And everyday livability doesn't suffer, with reasonable outward visibility and storage space for short weekend getaways. With the new AMG GT Coupe, Mercedes-AMG has once again evolved its icon, bringing new levels of technology and performance to the lineup. Stunning design houses an uber-capable drivetrain with chassis dynamics to match, yet it retains the brand's refined edge, being both livable and practical day-to-day. Starting at $162,900, the AMG GT Coupe is anything but an unobtainium halo car. Instead, it delivers real-world supercar excitement at a relative bargain. For those seeking the pinnacle of driving dynamics in a stylish coupe, the AMG GT beckons. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.